So we're starting to just rake out all this straw that's done the good work of protecting our soil over the winter. We're gonna let these garden beds feel this incredible rare spring sun and start to kind of warm up their soil. So yeah, we're just gonna take all this straw and we're gonna move it to the compost pile where it can continue to break down and then eventually be used as finished compost that we'll add back into the soil. So we've raked all that straw away and now we're going to add compost back into the garden. It's got a sweet smell to it and it's got just beautiful dark color. It shouldn't be too woody. It should be very well broken down. We're going to be adding compost on a seasonal basis every spring, just maybe a ½ inch over the whole surface, and then we're going to do the work of tilling it in to the top, 4 to 6 inches of soil. If you have a heavy clay soil that doesn't drain very well, adding compost and really integrating it over time, it's really going to condition that soil and create more pore space and better kind of aggregation, and actually help with drainage. If you have a very sandy soil that can't hold on to water very well, it's going to help with kind of moisture retention. Now that we've spread the compost evenly over the surface, the next goal is to really get it well integrated. Probably my most used tool is going to be a garden fork like this, or it's also called the tilthing fork. This is another great tool called the claw. So I'm working that compost into, the top 4, 6, 8 inches of soil. As we continue to grow and harvest vegetables, we're going to be taking a lot of fertility out of the beds. So we're trying to get as much out, so we're going to have to put a little extra back in. Just gotta kind of look at this soil. I mean, it's dark, it's open, it's porous, it's not too heavy, it's nice and crumbly, and it's full of earthworms. Oh yeah, check that out. That is a friend.